Hey there, juice lovers! Ready to boost your body with delicious, vibrant juices? In this video, we've got 28 amazing recipes. 7 for immunity, 7 for energy, 7 for detox, and 7 for soothing inflammation. Each recipe features fresh fruits and veggies that are proven powerhouses. So smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell to get all these juicy health tips. Let's get blending. First up, immune-boosting juices. Citrus Berry Blast, orange, grapefruit, strawberry, ginger. This sunshine-colored juice is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. Green Guardian, spinach, green apple, kiwi, lemon. This green blend helps reinforce your body's natural barriers. Carrot Zinger, carrot, orange, turmeric, ginger. It's like a sunny day in a glass. Berry Kale, defense kale, blueberries, apple, lemon. A true immunity champion. Tropical immunity, pineapple, mango, banana. This creamy blend feeds your immune cells. Herbal citrus, shot, parsley, celery, lemon, apple. Think of this as your green immune shot. Lemon ginger tonic, fresh lemon, ginger, turmeric, and honey. Simple but mighty. Now for energy-boosting juices. Banana Pineapple Energizer, nature's energy bar in liquid form. Beet Booster, beets boost circulation and stamina. This bright red juice fuels your muscles and brain. Berry Banana Blast, immediate energy that's released steadily. Green Machine, ultra hydrating and perfect for midday energy. Citrus Mint Refresher, like sipping sunshine that instantly brightens energy levels. Tropical Green Juice, keeps muscles fueled and enzymes happy. Apple Cinnamon, zing, gentle, lasting energy without spikes. Time for detox juices, liver and kidney support. Citrus Berry Cleanse, like a spa day for your body. Green Detox, elixir, ultra hydrating and cleansing powerhouse. Beetroot Detox, natural blood purifier that cleanses your bloodstream. Apple Lemonade, flush, tart, sweet, and gives your liver gentle support. Minty Parsley, refresher, crisp, cleansing, and reduces bloating. Carrot Apple Cleanser, sweet, smooth, and gentle on your stomach. Turmeric Ginger, detox, bold juice that neutralizes toxins. Finally, Anti-Inflammatory Juices, turmeric pineapple tonic, fights inflammation from the inside out. Ginger Spice, immune, perfect for reducing everyday inflammation. Berry Beet, anti-inflam, combats inflammation and muscle soreness. Green Turmeric, cooler, keeps joints and tissues happy. Citrus Ginger Cleanser, cools down inflammation after workouts. Pineapple Papaya, punch, tropical enzymes help your body recover. Cherry Berry, bliss, athletes use this to reduce muscle soreness. And there you have it, 28 delicious juices for a healthier you. Each one is packed with nature's best ingredients: vitamin C, antioxidants, enzymes, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Don't forget, consistency is key. Try adding one of these juices to your routine each day. If you loved these recipes, smash that subscribe button for more health tips and colorful recipes. Thanks for watching, stay vibrant and healthy, and we'll see you next time.